No pictures? Are you sure?
No videos.
You're stupid.
Do you know where my phone is?
What?
Do you know where my phone is?
I'm surprised I'm the one going home tonight, but coming into this competition.
Well, not like that. Like, you're too good, but like, she's just not on your level. Hey, I'm doing a video. Stop! Get off me! She's jumping me! Now she's humping me now. Homo, Gia!
No, I'm sitting on me.
No homo. Josh, you're homo.
Ah!
It's still a video. You can't ruin it. Say something funny.
I took a picture of Lucy's butt.
Josh, say something funny. Say it loud. What'd you say? Oh, yeah. Ouch, you're hurting my leg.
Want to see a picture of Lucy's butt?
Look at oh my god, Gia take a picture of me naked in the shower. Because she's homo like that.
Oh, yeah.
She's homo.
See, look at this, what Alicia was drinking.
Oh, don't look at it. Huh? Yeah? Yeah, okay. We showed it to Mikey. It's only in my butt and my back and my wet hair. I know, it is white. She does have a white butt.
See, look at it. See it?
You can't see it.
Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it?
Why try to show everybody my nakedness?
Because it's funny. Your butt's so white.
So?
It's like Casper.
Stephanie's butt's white too. So is Jasmine's. Who else butt's white? Your butt's white too, Josh. Don't laugh. Yours is brown. Too bad it's not brown. It's black.
Mama.
That's not nice. Ah! Ow! Oh my god, my eye's falling out.
Are you ticklish?
No.
Are you sure?
Don't tickle me. Oh my god, for real. I do not like being tickled. I'm serious. Don't tickle me.
Where's your feet?
Ow. You're sitting on it and you're killing it right now. Thanks.
How's
What?
gonna kill your feet?
You remind me of the little boy who ate ice cream and sang the Hokey.
What?
Ow! Don't tickle me. Gia, for real. I don't like being tickled. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Josh, say bye. Say it loud.
Can you put the speaker up
Say
there?
it loud. Say it loud. Oh, you probably can't hear it. Okay, bye.